netizen,
网友
to forget,
忘
to forget,
忘记
to ask,
问
I, me,
我
we, us,
我们
5,
午
lunch,
午饭
west,
西
west side,
西边
to wash, to bathe,
洗
bathroom, restroom,
洗手间
to like, to be fond of,
喜欢
under, below,
下
off work,
下班
below,
下边
get off,
下车
next time,
下次
dismiss a class,
下课
afternoon,
下午
to rain,
下雨
first, in advance,
先
Mr., Sir,
先生
now,
现在
to want, would like,
想
small, little,
小
child,
小孩儿
miss, young lady,
小姐
kids,
小朋友
hour,
小时
primary school,
小学
primary school student,
小学生
to smile, to laugh,
笑
to write,
写
to thank,
谢谢
new,
新
new year,
新年
week,
星期
Sunday,
星期日
Sunday,
星期天
okay,
行
to have a rest, rest,
休息
to learn,
学
student,
学生
to study, to learn,
学习
school,
学校
college,
学院
to want to, would like to,
要
grandfather,
爷爷
also to,
页
page,
页
1,
一
clothes,
衣服
doctor,
医生
hospital,
医院
half,
一半
a while,
一会儿
together,
一块儿
together,
一下儿
same,
一样
indicating two actions taking place at the same time.
一边
A few, a little,
一点儿
together,
一起
some,
一些
to use, to need,
用
to have, there be,
有
some,
有的
famous,
有名
sometimes,
有时候
there are some,
有一些
useful,
有用
right,
右
right, right side,
右边
rain,
雨
unit of money,
元
distant,
远
month.
月
Again, once more.
在
Bye, to see you around.
再见
To be in, on, at. In, on, at.
在
At home,
在家
early,
早
breakfast,
早饭
morning.
早上
How to, indicating nature, condition or manner, etc.
怎么
Station,
站
to look for,
找
to find.
找到
This,
这
this way,
这边
here,
这里
here.
这儿
These.
这些
Aspect particle indicating action in progress.
这
Really, indeed.
真
Really,
真的
just.
正
In the process of.
正在
To know.
知道
Knowledge.
知识
Inside.
中
China.
中国
Middle.
中间
Chinese language.
中文
Noon.
中午
Middle school.
中学
Middle school student.
中学生
Heavy.
重
Important.
重要
To live, to stay.
住
Prepare.
准备
Desk, table.
桌子
Character, word.
字
Noun suffix.
子
Go, walk.
走
Walk, go on foot.
走路
Most, to the greatest extent.
最
The best, had better.
最好
The last one.
最后
Yesterday.
左腰
Left,
左
left side.
左边
To sit, to be seated.
坐
Sit down.
坐下
To do, to make, to produce.
坐
If you enjoyed this video, please boop that like button before you go. It spurs me on to create more content. Thanks, and see you next time.